Selective laser sintering is a process in which polymer powder is melted via a laser and heat. We apply a very precise temperature to the material that is just below the melting temperature. The laser then melts in precise patterns to make a three-dimensional part. Of all of the polymer 3D printing technologies, selective laser sintering is the most relevant in production environments. We don't need to use supports in our builds, and so we are able to build full of parts stacked on top of each other to really maximize the amount of parts we're building. EOS has worked hard to integrate design softwares into our platforms to make it a simple process that's streamlined for production. In a production setup, it is not viable to be going to 4 different softwares to accomplish one build or one production run. Now you can actually process your builds at your laptop, send them directly to our printer, and then hit go. SLS can hold tighter tolerances than other polymer 3D printing technologies. We maintain a very precise temperature regulation throughout our build, which is really important to control the structure of the build itself during the print. Selective laser sintering is the only process in polymer 3D printing that can compete with molded parts from a property standpoint. We employ several of the same typical engineering resins, primarily nylons, that are being used in molded applications now. At EOS, we've placed emphasis that we are maintaining a qualified and precise process that can be monitored and recorded. And so we have a number of sensors and software platforms in which you can not only watch variables such as temperature, build rate, but you can capture that data, maintain it afterwards, and ensure that that build is qualified to the standards that is being set up for that specific product. In terms of build efficiency, selective laser sintering is in a league of its own in polymer additive manufacturing. We have also developed very refined scan strategies, and our most recent machines have increased production rate by 30% due to improving the way that we scan parts, and also improving the way that our heaters heat each layer before building. The faster you can build, the more parts you can nest in a build, the lower investment in terms of machine capex and floor space. Our additive minds team here at EOS plays an important role in integrating additive manufacturing across many industries. Additive Minds provides services all the way up through production support through our turnkey offerings. We started offering the ability to install machines at our site. Our customers can use them here, qualify it, and once their facility is done, transfer that production cell to their site, which collapses the time it takes to get up and running in the production.